Good morning, students. Last chapter, profit and loss is completed. Today we are doing the one chapter number 11. This is simple interest. Already you learned that chapter from in 5th class and 6th class. So once again I am reminding that formulas. I is equal to PTR by 100 or I is equal to A minus P. This formula PTR by 100 you learn in 5th class and 6th class. This new formula is there, that is I is equal to A minus P. This is interest formula and this is also interest formula. When we have to use this one, when we have to use this formula. Once again see here. Interest is PTR by 100, we know that one. The new formula I am giving here in this 7th class, that is I is equal to A minus P. What is this A minus P means? In the question, amount is given means we have to start with this formula. How can I decide that one, sir? Amount is given in the question. So, amount is in the form of rupees. Principal is in the form of rupees. Interest is also in the form of rupees. Time, which is in the form of years, months and days. Rate is in the form of percentage per annum. So, this is about that ones. A, amount is in the form of rupees. Principal is in the form of rupees. Interest is in the form of rupees. Time is in the form of years, days and months. Rate is in the form of percentage. As you know that one in the previous class, but I am remaining that ones. What is here means? Amount, principal, interest. The least one is called interest in the question. The amount, the money which is given in the form of, for example, if the question is given that ones, rupees 45, rupees 10. In that one, which is principal, which is interest means, principal is 45 and interest is 10. Sir, what about amount? That amount is, the spelling they will give that once in the question. A-M-O-U-N-T, amount to be, the word they will give that once, amount word. If it is given means we have to decide that is amount. Otherwise, the given question is related to principal and interest only. Amount. How many words are related to amount? Amount or double, triple. If these three words are there in the question, then we have to decide that is amount. If these three words are there, we have to start with this formula. The amount is given to find interest only. The amount formula is given to find interest. First, if you see in the question, amount question spelling is there. Immediately we have to find out interest. That formula is I is equal to A minus P. Using that formula, we have to find a one. So here, this is the difference between these two. Amount is given to find interest. If the amount spelling is not there, means that is principal or interest. How can I decide that when it is principal or interest means? In that both, which is the smallest one, that is interest, the biggest one is principal, and the very biggest one is amount. Now, this amount is formula is P plus I, already you know that ones. P formula, T formula, R formula, you know that ones. Only keep in mind these words. In this class, we have to learn the special formula I is equal to A minus P. When it is means amount, double or triple. How we have to use that ones? We can see that questions. In the questions, I will explain that ones. Keep in mind just that ones. These are the formulas you have to copy in your book. These no need these ones. Just for remaining. Only these one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 formulas you have to write in your CW. Keep the heading of the formulas and write. Here I am starting that one exercise first sum. See that ones. Sir, okay. Okay, here is the first sum. Find the simple interest and amount on each of the following sums. Here total 4 sums are there. I copied that one first sum. Rupees 8,400 for 4 years at 8% per annum. Previously I said that once. Now, what I said means amount spelling is there or not there, we have to check. We have to check 3 things. A, P, I. Amount, principal, interest. This rupees formation. 4 years means simply we know that one, this is the time. Percentage form is related for rate. But this 8,400 is which one? Either amount or principal or interest. Out of these 3, which is this one, we have to decide. So many are reading the question and understanding, for them okay. Those are not reading and seeing the question, for them I am saying here. Amount. The spelling of amount is given here. Amount on. I said that one amount is there. That means the amount find. Find amount means already this 8,400 is amount. No, they will not give that one amount and they will not ask that one to find. So this is not amount. Because in the question they given that one, find amount. Find amount means amount is not given. Next one is simple interest. What simple interest? Find the simple interest. That means interest is also not given. So the given sum is rupees is related to principal. Rupees is given to principal. Like that we have to check that once. Those who cannot able to read and understanding the question, we have to follow like this. Those who can read and you can do that one directly you can do. For the next sum onwards I will not say like this much detailed explanation. Now given sum, solution. Find the simple interest. So interest is not given. This is principal. P is equal to rupees 8,400. Time is equal to 4 years. and rate is equal to 8% per annum. We have to check that one thing. What in this chapter, the main thing, the important thing is per annum and years. The time and rate must be in the form of same unit. Same unit. This is in the form of years. This is in the form of years. Per annum means years. Both we have to check that once. If it is not like that, only one thing we can change is time, not the rate. Only one thing we have to change, that is called only the time we can change, not the rate. Don't change the rate percentage. We have to change only that time. We can have that one possibility to change the time. So here in this question both are same. So directly I am writing the formula. I is equal to formula PTR by 100. I said that one two formulas for interest. What are the two formulas? I is equal to PTR by 100 and I is equal to A minus P. We have to use only PTR by 100. Why? Because that second formula, smallest formula A minus P is used to find amount is given. Now substituting in the formula, I is equal to 8400 into 4 into 8 by 100. 0, 0, 0, 0. I is equal to multiplication. 84 into 4 into 8. 84 into 4 into 8. 8 for the 32. 32 into 84. I did the multiplication, that is 2688. Interest is equal to rupees 2688. With this sum is not completed. They are said to find that one interest also. What is the formula for interest? I is equal to A minus P. That formula we do not use. Interest formula, that the amount is completed. So we have to find that amount formula. Amount formula A is equal to P plus I. A is equal to P plus I. Substituting the ones. That is 8400 plus 2688, which is equal to 88011. Therefore, the amount is equal to rupees 11,088. 11,088. Like this, we have to find that sum. This is the answer for the sum. Here is the next sum, C1s. So here is the next sum. Find the simple interest and amount on each of the following. Rupees 9,275. So solution. This is principal. P is equal to rupees 9275. Time is equal to 2 years. And the rate is equal to 7.1/2 percentage in the form of percent per annum. So change that one. 7,014. 15/2 percentage. Now formula for interest is equal to PTR by 100. Substituting in the formula and solving the ones. I is equal to formula substitution 9275 into this is 2 years into this is 15/2. First write the numerator part 15 and the denominator 2. Cancellation. This two table. Next I am using the one 5 table cancellation. So 3 times. Here is 20 times. Again cancellation in 5 table. 4 times. 1 time 4 5. 42 means 8 times. 42 to 27 means 5 times. 5 times. Again no multiplication or cancellation. So directly multiply and change into decimal form. I is equal to 5 3s are 15. 6. 8 3s are 24. 25. 3 1 are 3 plus 5 by 4. Changing into decimal form. I change it once. So that is interest. We have to find that amount also. A is equal to P plus I. Addition to the ones, that is 9,275 plus 1391.25. Add the ones. 0.25. 5 plus 1 6. 9 plus 7 16. 3 plus 3 6. 9 plus 1 10. So the answer for that sum is 10,666.25. This is about the sum. See that one and substitution. And the next sum is so this is the question given for us. In what time will rupees 7,500 amount to rupees 8,655? Amount to 2. That means in the previous sum I said that one. Amount to 2 means amount is given that once. So solution. First one is principal rupees 7,500. Amount is given that once 8,625. The amount is given to find interest. We have to write down immediately the formula. I is equal to A minus P. Why? Because the amount is given to find interest. Due to that one, you have to write down immediately the formula and find the ones. That is subtraction. 8625 minus 7500. Subtraction 5, 2, 1, 1. The interest is equal to 1125. Now and time is given as once question mark. Rate is equal to 7.1/2 percentage per annum, which is equal to 15/2 percentage. Substituting the formula, R is equal to 100 into I by, we have to find time, R into T. Formula substitution, that is 7500 into interest is 1125 by R means rate percentage 15/2 into T is 7500. Now R is equal to, taking off reciprocal, 100 into 1125 into, this denominator 2 will come to the numerator, 2 by 15 into 7500. Once again see this question. Amount is given to find interest. I find that one interest immediately. Sum is over. To that. Next, according to the question, we have to find the time. T is equal to 100 into I by R into T. 100 into interest is 1125 by R is 15/2 and T is 7500. Substituting in the formula. We are taking reciprocal. 2 zeros cancel. 2 zeros cancel. We have to multiply that ones using the. I am using cancellation using 5 table. I am using 5 table cancellation. 3 times. Here how many times? 2 times 10. 12 means again 2 times. 225 times. Now 225 by 75. Cancellation using 25 table. 25 3s. 225 is 250. 25 times 9 times. 25 table 9 times. 3 table 3 table 1 time. So rate is equal to, sorry, here we are finding time is equal to 2 years. Therefore for this sum the time is equal to 2 years. The time is equal to 2 years. So like this we have to find. Here 0 zeros cancel. After all, so I use that one 5 table for cancellation full. After cancellation I got that one 2. Answer is 2 years for this sum. The answer is 2 years. So the next sum is, the sum is, at what rate percentage per annum will rupees 6300 yield an interest of rupees 2100? Yield means gives. That is here, writing that one solution. Principal is rupees 6300. The time interest is rupees 2100. The time taken is 4 years. They are asking about rate. Rate is equal to question mark. Substituting in the formula, R is equal to 100 into I by P into T. Rate of interest is equal to 100 into 2100 by 6300 into, the rate is 4. 2 zeros. Cancel. 2 zeros. Next one is 4 table 1 time, 25 times. Here 21 and 63. Cancellation in 21 and 63, cancellation in 7 table. 7 3s are 21, 9 times. Again 3 table, 1 time, 3 times. R is equal to 25/3, which is equal to 81/3 percentage. That is in the form of years percentage. So we are writing that one rate in the form of percentage. The rate is in the form of percentage. This is about the sum C1s. Take the next sum. Here is the next sum. At what rate percent per annum simple interest will rupees 66,000 amount to rupees 72,720 in 2 years. So here amount 2 means amount is given. So amount is given means to find interest. So A is equal to rupees 72,720. P is equal to rupees 66,000. The amount is given to find interest only. Keep in mind. So I is equal to A minus P. Substituting in the formula, I is equal to 72,720 minus 66,000. I is equal to 0, 0, 2, 7 minus 2 is 7. 72 minus 66 is 6. 66,720. Time is equal to 2 years and rate is equal to question mark. Formula for that is 100 into I by T into T. Substituting the formula, R is equal to 100 into, this is 6720 by 66200 into the rate is, time is 2. Now cancellation 0 0 0 0 0 0. What it means? 100 into 6720, that is interest by 66 into cancellation. Now using the table cancellation using two table, 1 time, 3 times, 3 times, 12 is 6 times. 12 is 6 times. Using cancellation of 6 table, 1 time 11, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 56 by 11, which is equal to 5, 1 by 11 percentage. We have to find the rate. This is the answer cancellation. What is the cancellation rate? It means first zeros cancel, afterwards 2 table and 6 table. 2 table and 6 table. Using cancellation 2 table 6 table, I got that answer is 5 1 by 11 percentage. 5 1 by 11 percentage. So this is about the sums. This is question number 5. Sorry, this is not fourth sum. This is question 5. Question 5. This is question number 5. Copy that in your CW, question 5. So thank you for today.